Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you this overlapping drop shadow effect within Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, we can create a real cool sense of depth between our two typography layers here to give that sort of 3D look. Question should be, how do we do it? So that's what I'm here to do today guys, to show you the process and the steps that you need to take. So I'm going to come open our layers now. I'm just going to remove this, select the top layer and remove it by pressing backspace and start off with our original type layers. Now, as you notice, Blue Sky is on one layer and graphics is on its own layer also as well, because I need to create that distinction between the two layers. So what I will do now is I'm going to come to our Blue Sky layer. I need to apply a layer style to this. So I'm going to do that by just simply double clicking on the layer. Fantastic. And I'm now going to apply a drop shadow. Keep the distance around 35 and the size around 50. Keep the opacity at 100. Also as well, add another drop shadow here. And on this particular drop shadow here, I may even bring down the opacity just a little bit on that there to keep the distance around 75 and the size around to 100. And let's press OK. And as simple as that, guys. There you have that effect. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. And also as well, guys, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.